gamja. Start. Beosut gamja bokkeum. Add plenty of oil. First, soak the dried shiitake mushrooms in water for about 10 minutes. If you have the money, fresh mushrooms are more delicious. Cut the potatoes and soaked mushrooms into sticks. Cut the green onions into 3 to 4 centimeters pieces and slice the garlic and peppers. Cook the potatoes first. Put salt. Stir fry. Stir fry the thinly sliced pork until well cooked. Add the green onions to the pork. This is to add the flavor of the green onions to the pork. Once the pork is slightly cooked, add the garlic. Add the soaked mushrooms and peppers last and stir-fry briefly. Put soy sauce. Hannah. Dual. Set. Net. Put sugar. Hannah. Dual. Stir-fry. Put sesame oil. Hannah. Stir-fry. Gamja.